There is a predictable moment in the life of every beginner developer. You finish a programming course. You feel motivated. You understand the examples. You follow the instructor while they build an application. You nod confidently when they explain components, APIs, databases, and authentication. For a brief moment, you feel dangerously confident. Then you open an empty project and try to build alone. The confidence disappears. Suddenly, you don't know what to do first. You forget how to connect front-end and back-end. The database refuses to cooperate. A button does nothing. The error message looks like it was written by a machine experiencing a personal crisis. You stare at the screen for 12 minutes. Then you make a reasonable decision. You buy another course. Welcome to the tutorial hell. This is the most dangerous place to be as a beginner. And in this video, I will show you what is the tutorial hell and how can you escape from it without losing your mind. So first of all, I have to tell you, tutorial hell feels productive because you are always busy. Let's think together. Procrastination is easy to recognize because you are doing nothing. So you are doom scrolling some social media platform or just watching videos, doing nothing at all. But tutorial hell is sophisticated. You are studying, you are taking notes, you are watching technical explanations, you are building things. You are collecting certificates with the efficiency of a medieval king collecting territories. From the outside, everything looks productive. But months pass, and you still cannot build a small project on your own. The real problem is that you are practicing the wrong skill. Watching someone build software teaches you how to recognize solution. Building software alone teaches you how to create solutions when nobody is guiding you. So you can watch 50 hours of cooking lessons and understand every recipe. But when someone gives you a kitchen, a bag of ingredients, and no instructions, you may still create technically qualifies as food, but raises some doubts. But let's be clear, the course is not the problem. The way you study is. I made a curated list of Udemy courses that are great for beginner devs. In this article, I explain why this course is good and why this knowledge is good for your career. Read the full article using the link in the description. If you want to escape the tutorial hell, you have to use the empty editor as your real classroom. Open an empty project, choose a small problem, try to solve it without following a complete tutorial. You may use documentation. You may search for specific questions. You may read articles. You may ask for help. All this stuff are part of your learning. At this point, the goal is to stop following a complete sequence of instructions. This is the right way to build independence. It is even better than projects from tutorial. But be smart. Select a small project. Don't try to start your own startup now. You are learning, not trying to be an entrepreneur. The most important thing now is to finish the project and, if possible, put it online. The best strategy is to use the 70-12-10 learning rule. 70% building, 12% studying, 10% reviewing and documenting what you learned. But of course, the exact percentages are not sacred. Trust me, nobody will arrive at your house with a clipboard to inspect whether you spent precisely 42 minutes studying documentation. The principle matters more than the arithmetic. Most beginners reverse the order. They spend almost all their time consuming content and a tiny amount of time building. Then they become frustrated because independent projects feel difficult. And of course they feel difficult. If you are in tutorial hell, you have not practiced building independently. So a better routine looks like this. Choose a small feature, try to implement it, identify what you don't understand, study that specific gap, test the result, write down what you learned, move to the next feature. This process is slower than watching another video, but this is the only way to become a real software engineer. I will give you a 4-week escape plan. Week 1. Build the simplest version of your software. Define the user and the problem. Implement the core feature. Ignore decorative details. Your application does not need a logo, dark mode, loading animation, and a philosophical manifesto. It needs to work. Week 2. Add useful features. Improve the project based on its purpose. Add validation, filtering, authentication, error handling, or database persistence when relevant. But choose features that are useful for your users, not because they make the technology list longer. Week 3. Test and deploy. Ask another person to use your software. Watch them misunderstanding something you believed was obvious. Fix the bugs. Deploy the project. Write clear setup instructions. Reality is an excellent teacher because it does not care about your intentions. Week 4. Document and improvement. Write a useful README. Explain the problem, the user, the feature, the technologies, the main decisions, and the challenges. Add screenshots. Describe what you would improve next. Then update your resume and portfolio. Now you have evidence. It is much better than another certificate. And instead of a half-finished course, you have a finished project, probably running online. If you want to become a better software engineer, hit the subscribe button. I promise I will post only good content at this channel that will help you out a lot. Thank you. See you later.